Look, horsey.
Kaylee, come over here into the scene. Woo, yeah, it's just my dinosaur. I'm attacking your horse.
Its head is pointing that way, though.
It's scratching itself. All the time.
And my arm is kind of on my back. Excuse me.
Look, I'm riding my dinosaur. Hey, Teddy.
Retro gaming.
This is Do You Like Waffles?
Ireland's
Got Talent!
Yes, I like waffles.
This is our first contestant, Taylor McIntyre, and her
Don't get my name out. They might add me on
horse.
Facebook.
Taylor, I'm gonna tag you in this anyway. Okay, Taylor
What?
McIntyre and her pet horse. Take it away, Taylor.
Aren't you gonna say my horse's name?
What's your horse's name?
You should know this.
Peaches!
No, it's not peaches. It's Jerseys.
What?
Jerseys.
That's not even a word.
It's Jerseys. What? Its name is Jerseys.
Taylor McIntyre and her pet horse, Jersey. Your arms are cool, man.
Help me!
Mine are
I'm
weird.
suffocating in this plastic bag!
I'm saving you.
Help!
I can't. I'm saving you. Yeah.
Thank you!
No.
This is ugly.
So?
You gotta save me. I have no arms either.
No, go away.
I kissed you. You don't like it?
No, not.
Hey, you have something against pumpkin heads?
So.
I hit you with my big muscles.
Wait. Oh, man, you actually have a cool face, too.
Me?
Taylor, get out of the way. Taylor McIntyre and her pet horse, Jersey.
I'm gonna jump through these scissors. Ready?
Yeah.
Whee! Thank you, everybody.
And that was Taylor McIntyre and her pet horse,
Hi, Mom.
Jerseys. If you want to vote for her, go to 994652. And this is our
one has
next
a shovel.
contestant, Pumpkinhead guy with. Where'd you get a shovel? And this concludes Emily and Taylor's. No, it does not. It does not conclude Emily and Taylor's. Get over here. I'm flying, I'm laying in the sky. This is fun. Laying in the sky. Aw, man, what are you doing? No, you can't have legs. It's not fair.
Tootsie Pop by lightning.
Hey girls. Hey girls.
What?
Want to see something?
What?
My pet spider!
Spider!
Hey, be nice to my spider!
I don't think I caught that.
Hey, Emily.
Yeah, Taylor?
I found a magical wand.
Cool.
Hey, it matches your arm.
Yeah.
Want to see me do stuff with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Drum roll, please. Poof!
No!
I didn't know that was gonna happen, to tell you the truth. You want me to make you fly?
Yeah.
Abracadabra, whiz, poof, boom.
Taylor, I think you made me invisible.
You turned into tape.
Can you turn me back?
Poof. Now you're invisible. Poof. Okay. You're back.
And this thus concludes Emily and Taylor's show of awesome.
And if you would like to know where I got my wand from, Harry Potter lended it to me. Thank you.
No, he didn't.
It's fake.